Export data from SPSS output to Word. If you want to export data output of SPSS to Word, first you open the output of SPSS. Here we have the output of SPSS. In this output we have the result of t-test, and we want to export these results to Word. For this, click File, Export. This dialog box open to you. You will select All Visible, then press the button Browse, and here you will name your output 2 and save it. Here you will decide where you want to keep it. I am going to keep it document, so press the button OK, and let's check our document. And you see, in this document all SPSS output have been transferred to Word, but you see little bit problem. This seems does not fit to window. This seems little bit smaller, and independent t-test has been splitted into 3 tables. So now we want to make it correct. So for this you select this group statistics. As you select this group statistics, you see this outline layout, and go to AutoFit window, and you see now this group statistics fit to window. So there is another issue. This independent t-test is bigger in size, width, so it has been split to 3 parts. So we are unable to join these 3 parts. So we will, to resolve this issue, we will again go to SPSS output and copy this output and paste it in this Word. Here you see some part of table is disappeared. So first you will select this whole table, and as you select this table you will click Layout, AutoFit to window, and see this table. Now this table is fit to window, and in this way we can export our data output of SPSS to Word. So this again we revise this procedure with the help of PowerPoint. So at first step, click File, Export, then this dialog box open to you. You will browse, and you will share automatically your output of SPSS transferred to Word, and you see this is little bit smaller in size, and now this is fit to window. I hope this video would be helpful in exporting data from SPSS output to Word. Thank you for watching the video.